Hi, Miss Me. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hey sir, good afternoon. I am May Castañares Buencamino, 35 years old from Artlin, Zamboanga, Dubai. I am a single.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes sir, I have three kids, two boys and one girl. There is are 16 years old, 8 years old, and 2 years old.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, 3 girls and 2 boys. I am the youngest.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am a high school graduate.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I have experience working abroad in Dubai from 2019 to 2022. Have 2 years contract, a family of 7, madam, sir, and 5 children, 3 boys and 2 girls. My duties is cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, preparing the food, taking care of the 2 children, and helping for studies.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am responsible, hardworking, honest, trustworthy, loving, caring, and especially towards children.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Okay, did you go undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family, especially my child, their future.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir. I have the house, cat, and dog.
Okay, give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk calm down and playing with them.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to be a good helper and I am hardworking, honest, and if you have a children, I will love them as my own and to finish my contract and stay longer if needed. Thank you and God bless.